I'm Nadia, the administrator for our documentation space. After we released a new version of our application, support tickets increased. We soon discovered that the increase is due to outdated documentation. To fix this problem, let's put Find and Replace by Easy Apps to the test. We need to change the name of a button across all documentation pages. As I want to make changes across the space, I'm using the defaults. I need to change the name of the Submit button to Save. Since our buttons always start with a capital letter, I'm checking Match Case. The preview looks good. I don't need to deselect any pages as the Match Case option avoided unwanted results. I click Replace and the space is now up to date. When I need advanced Find and Replace on an individual page, I go to More Actions in Publish mode. I also have to mention this admin feature. We had a problem with developers making live bulk changes. So our system administrator disabled the app for the group developers. Now we grant access as needed. The app comes with robust security, which made getting approval to purchase easier. It is built using Atlassian's Forge app development platform. All processing is done within Confluence. You can try this app for free from the Atlassian Marketplace.